Hello, good morning. How are you, all of you? Let's start the video. I will show in this video how we will add and delete and manage the product category in the Live Shop Center. First of all, we will open the Live Shop Center website. At the end, just type wp-login.php or wp-admin.php. Then you hit enter. Sorry, wp-login.php. Login is username and password. We will land on the dashboard page of the website. From left side menu, you will see the multiple menu options. We will work on the products menu. Under the products menu, we have changed the categories. These are all the categories that are shown on our shop website. I will show you. This sensory tool is main category. Fine motor tool, fidget and focus tool, emotion and social skills, cause and effects in cognitive, communication and ACC. These are subcategories. We can add main category or subcategory. Like this is the main category. These are under this sensory tool. These are subcategories. After that, this is the main category, and these are the subcategories. You can add multiple levels of categories. Like if you want to separate this lesson plans and program kits to multiple subcategories, we can separate it into multiple categories. These are the categories. If you want to change them, we have multiple option. Edit option. We can edit these categories. Otherwise, we can add new category. If we want to add new category, we will just go to the admin category. For example, testing category, and leave the slug. It will automatically pick from the name. Select the parent category. If we want to add this testing category as a child category, then we have to select the parent category. We have all the categories here, parents and childs. We can make the parent. But if we want to add this as main category without any parent, we will just leave at none. Write the description of that category. If we want to show the picture of this category, just upload add image. Otherwise, just click on add new category. New category will be added at the top. Testing category. Okay. If we want to click it, edit, click on edit. This will show edit. We can edit the category and update it. This is the SEO work. We have to add the focus key phrase for this category, and this is the SEO related work. You don't need edit or add these words right now. You just click on update. This category will be updated. After that, we have to go to the categories page, and you will see the updated category. This testing category. Okay. So, like this, you can add multiple categories for the products. And after that, once you finalize the categories, let me know. I will add the categories in this menu. If you want to delete all these categories, just delete them and add new categories, and let me know. I will add all categories in the menu. The second option, the second thing is how to add products from the Amazon. So I have, let's just remove the Amazon. This is the Amazon website. I will sign in. as this account, this influencer and associates account. This is the associate account, or you can say the this is account for the for our store, and we can get this link. Once we log in with this account, we will see this panel, and after opening any product that we want to add on our website, we just click on, for example, this dinosaur toy for kids, women in Montessori toys. We will click on it. This is the product page. If we want to add this product on our website, this is the commission rate for this product, that all the details, categories, toys and games. We will just click on get links. This will generate a link with our affiliation. You can say our add or referral to this link. If we open this link into new tab, you will say this is telling the same product, and in the link we will see the Lion Center. This is the tag link code plus one tag Lion Center 20. Actually, this is the name of our account. This account. So if anyone buys product, it will consider uh, our marketing, our affiliate marketing. This is affiliate account. That's why this bar is from to generate links for each product. Okay. So once this is after completion the categories, we will have to add products. Currently, I added some products. These are around 31 published products. These are installed with price. So we are working on the manual. So we have to add the title, description, and price, and the product link. These things we have to add. For example, if we want to add this product, here we will just click on add new product. This will Here will be our product name, product description. Here will be the SEO results for this product. For example, first of all, copy this title. Click into here. This information. Copy this description. Add to this, and also add here product short description. Or leave. Just this is for SEO purpose. We have to add short product, longest product description, and product short description. Both will be the same. And now it's time to add price is $9.99. Regular price. Oh, so just click on external or affiliate product from product type. Affiliate product will show the product URL, button text, regular price, sale price. So product URL. First of all, we will get URL. We will copy this URL, add this URL here. This is the product URL, button text. For example, if we want to add button, this button purchase now. Like if we write shop now on Amazon, regular price It's up to us if we want to show both prices, list price and discounted price, or we will just show the discounted price. It's up to us. For example, first of all, 12.99 sale price is 9.99. 9.99. Okay, that's it. Just have to select the product categories from this side, from this menu, product categories and product main image and gallery image. We have to click save image. Just, this is the main image. Second, third, fourth, how many images you want, just click on it. You can directly save it. Please. Two images downloaded. Just set the product. The product image will be the main image that will be shown upon like this one. This is the main product image. For example, upload file, downloaded product. This is the main image. Product gallery. Under the gallery, we have to upload the second image. If we have multiple images, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have to select all images in the gallery. We can add multiple images in gallery, but only one image on product image. We can add multiple images on gallery. Okay, then select the categories like any category. Sensory toys, product tag. This is for SEO and searching, and these are the things that we have to add for the product. And just click on publish. Once this product will publish, it will refresh this page. This will be at the front of page, and this will be the like this. Purchase now, and this time we write shop now on Amazon. When you click on this, it will open this. This will be the name. This, this is the product description. This is the price. This is the category. When anyone click on this, it will redirect it to Amazon. Amazon with the with Lion Center affiliation link. And if anyone purchase from it, we will get commission. Okay. That's the complete procedure of how to add, update, and delete categories, and how to manage products. We are not managing here the orders. We will just upload the product, and order management will be on the Amazon. That's the video for the shop center, and I will share the login of Laika and Standard to you. Both of you, you can log in with their account. Thank you very much for your time.